Are you ready to take the stairs to success? In a world that loves quick fixes, the idea of climbing the stairs to success might seem daunting, but here's the truth. Genuine success is built step by step. Each step you take is a part of a bigger journey, and skipping steps won't get you where you want to be. Every step on this staircase represents a part of your journey. Some steps are small, daily routines, minor improvements, or small victories that gradually build momentum. Others are larger milestones, like achieving a significant goal or overcoming a major obstacle. As you ascend, you'll encounter challenges. There will be times when the climb feels steep and the goal seems distant. But remember, every successful person has faced these moments of doubt. What distinguishes them is their
determination to continue.
Despite the difficulties. When you reach the top, you'll see that the climb was worth every effort. The view from the top is a reflection of your hard work and determination. Success doesn't come from shortcuts. It's earned through hard work and determination.
One step at a time. So when you face challenges.
Remember, there's no elevator to success. Take the stairs and you'll find that the climb was worth every step. If this resonates with you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs a boost today. Don't forget to subscribe for more motivational content. Keep climbing and I'll see you at the top.